Open your favorite browser and then search for Visual Studio. The first link which will appear here will be from visualstudio.microsoft.com. I'm going to just click on this link, and once this visualstudio.com website is open, you can see on the top Downloads button and click on this. Here you can see various version available, and we need Visual Studio 2019 version. Scroll down and here you can see older downloads. Click on this. Scroll down and click on the 2019. Click on this download button. It will redirect it to the Microsoft login page. Enter your email address. Click Next. Enter your password. Click Sign In button. Select Visual Studio 2019 version 6.11. Here you can choose Visual Studio Community 2019. Just click on this download button and wait for a few seconds. The Visual Studio installer downloaded. I'm going to click on the executable file. I will just minimize my browser. Click to continue. You can see the Visual Studio installer has been started. Various options for installing additional files are available here. Select aspdotnet and web development. And select .NET, desktop development. And select .NET, cross-platform development. Then select Install while downloading. Click on Install. And wait for a few minutes. It depends upon your bandwidth. If you have an account, using this sign-in option you can sign in. If you don't have an account, you can create account. Click for Not Now, Sign In Later. Choose the color theme and click Start Visual Studio. I will just minimize the installer. Thank you for watching this video.